Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2003 GMC Sierra 2500. Stock number is 18G761B. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have Michelin tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Pendoliner skid resistor bed liner in here, keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. And you have dual climate control here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this diesel on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.